Hello, and welcome to 4goodhealth. Today, our short video will answer the question, can snoring be harmful? And to find out why heavy snoring is no joke. From our first video, we know that snoring is generally caused by some sort of blockage, causing restricted airflow in the airway. This in turn causes vibrations in the soft tissues. The main symptom of snoring is the obvious noise that this vibration causes. Other less obvious symptoms may include waking up with a sore throat or a dry mouth. Whilst almost everyone snores now and then, for some people it can be a more chronic problem. It is estimated that between 30 to 50% of snorers have a sleep disorder called obstructive sleep apnea. People whose snoring is caused by severe sleep apnea can have an increased chance of suffering a host of health problems. These can range from heart disease to depression. Some suggest that people suffering severe sleep apnea have a 40% greater chance of dying earlier than their peers. So it is vital that your snoring is not discarded as a mere embarrassing inconvenience. And you must be aware of, and actively look for the following symptoms, as it may indicate that you have sleep apnea, rather than simple snoring. Abrupt awakenings, accompanied by gasping or choking. Witnessed breathing pauses during sleep. Awakening with a dry mouth or sore throat. Experiencing mood changes, such as depression or irritability. Nighttime sweating. Decreased libido. Excessive daytime sleepiness. Difficulty concentrating. Morning headaches. Restless sleep. High blood pressure. Chest pain at night. Snoring is so loud that it's disrupting your partner's sleep. And in children, poor attention span, behavioral issues or poor performance in school. We would recommend you seek professional medical advice if you are suffering any of the above symptoms. Severe sleep apnea, if untreated, can go on to increase the chances of serious health issues such as high blood pressure and heart disease, stroke, irregular heart rhythm, reflux, mental health and depression, headaches, diabetes, and an increase in risks for pregnant women. So, whilst it is very easy to pass off snoring as an inconvenience, it can also be an indicator of something far more serious. We do stress that we are not a medical channel. So if you are concerned about your snoring, then we strongly advise that you seek medical advice at the earliest opportunity. I hope you have found this short video of interest. It forms part of a free series of short videos covering all aspects of snoring, sleep apnea and remedies available. If you would like to pick up the series directly, just look in the description or the very first comment below this video for the link. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.